Most organizations redesign in fragments. Strategy lives in a deck, workshops live in another tool. Recommendations live in a consultant's slide pack. And when the consultants leave, the knowledge leaves with them. Nothing becomes a capability you keep. We built CAO Studio to fix that. A strategy to organization design system. One place where strategy, workshops, capability gaps, and design decisions stay connected. This is a live engagement in CAO Studio. Everything about this organization's redesign lives here. The strategy, the evidence, the workshops, the decisions. Connected, not scattered. And there's no blank page problem. CAO Studio meets you where you are, with 3 ways to start. We call them the 3 doors. Door 1, Wizards. For when you already know the deliverable, I open the wizard catalog. Say, you've been asked for a go-see assessment. I pick it, 1 click, and the wizard lays out the whole method for that deliverable. It tells you what it's for and asks for your situation in a few sentences. Then it routes you, step by step, to a stakeholder-ready report. You bring the deliverable, the wizard brings the discipline. Back at the doors. Door 2, Problem Guides, for when you know the problem, but not the path. It opens a catalog of real situations leaders bring us. Strategy changed, too many dependencies, decisions too slow, productivity too low, preparing for AI. The one I keep hearing is, our productivity is too low, so I choose that. And CAO Studio translates the symptom into a diagnosis. First, what this problem usually means in organization design terms, and the CAO concepts behind it. Then, a guided sequence. Clarify the problem, understand the design issue, explore options, and create a decision-ready output. Each step opens the right workshop at the right moment. Where work already exists, the guide picks it up. Knowledge accumulates instead of restarting. I can even see every workshop the guide would draw on. No organization design degree required. The path is the product. Door 3, Expert Mode, for consultants and design leads who know exactly what they need. 1 switch, and the full CAO toolkit opens up. Strategy, capability analysis, structural analysis, capability gaps, design options. The complete organization design loop, every workshop 1 click away. That's the principle behind the doors. The more curated your path, the tighter the AI's scope. The more expert you are, the broader the synthesis. And behind every door, the same method. It starts with strategy. I open the strategy section. The strategic focus workshop, where the focus is computed, not asserted. The workshop derives the strategic focus, a clear product focus with full alignment between hypothesis and result. That focus feeds the capabilities. I open the capability analysis section. And inside it, the CAO strategy map. Here's the map the leaders agreed on. I open it. The CAO strategy map turns that into 1 structured page. Financial strategies, value proposition, and the key capabilities that deliver it. Strategy then has to become measurable. I open capability gap. Capability gap measurements. Every capability the strategy needs as a number. Measurable capability gaps. Baseline, current, target. Not opinions, measurements. And everything rolls up to 1 executive view. I open the executive dashboard. It leads with the verdict. Can this operating model actually deliver the strategy? I expand the verdict to see what's behind it. It's a constraint, not an average. The dashboard names exactly what's holding execution back, straight from the workshop evidence. Below it, the decisions waiting on leadership, recommendations, findings, design options, each with its evidence, actioned in place, not buried in a status deck. And is the change working? I open the measured progress. Every strategy-critical capability measured against its baseline and target, Real movement, honestly shown. And where to focus next. Signal cards ranked by impact across design risk, governance, and progress. The steering agenda writes itself. That's what stays. When an engagement ends, the diagnosis, the decisions, and the progress remain your organization's asset. One more thing. When AI changes how fast your teams can move, this same system runs your AI transformation. Let me jump to a second engagement, a software company's AI program. Here's their real delivery flow, mapped end to end, with the pain points, the waiting time, and where AI already helps. Because if AI makes analysis 25 times faster, your operating model becomes the bottleneck. And that is an organization design problem. One studio, 3 doors, a redesign capability your organization keeps. We're opening a few guided pilot conversations. Bring one real strategy to design question, and we'll walk it through with you. Send us a message.